It's a little warmer, a little more humid across the valley today than what it's been the last few days, and the trend to warmer, more humid weather is going to continue for a while. These are the currents: 81 in Weslaco, 82 in Port Isabel right now, 83 in the western part of the valley, pretty much every place out there. Dew points are coming up, some places in the low 70s, some in the upper 60s, but we've gone from down here in this comfortable range late last week now to the top of the muggy range and working our way up into the really humid stuff, which I think we're going to see in the valley over the next few days. Temperature-wise tonight, look at this, mid-70s for lows. We're just not going anywhere. And then tomorrow we climb back in the upper 80s, low 90s, a little cooler along the coast, but a very warm day. The normal for this time of year is 87, and we've been below that for a while, but tomorrow we go back above at 88, then a couple of 92s for Wednesday and Thursday. Records not in jeopardy, but certainly above average once again. Here's your satellite. Shows a lot of high clouds across the area. They're thickening up again as stuff comes in from the southwest over the last hour or so, and I think we're going to see a lot of clouds tonight into tomorrow. Could even be a spotty sprinkle around, but nothing really big. Tomorrow afternoon, just a mostly cloudy afternoon again. Going to Wednesday, a lot of clouds overnight. During the daytime, still a mostly cloudy day, but it's a little warmer, it's a little windier, it's a little more humid, but I don't see a big rain chance. I think tomorrow, less than 10%. It's a mainly dry day. Wednesday and Thursday then should both be dry. Big picture shows clouds moving into Texas. Boy, from West Texas all the way up into parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle and Kansas. Strong storms are possible tonight into tomorrow, and that possibility is going to last really for the next couple of days as well, as a pretty big storm digs into the southwestern part of the nation. Temperature-wise across the state, Austin 72, Dallas is 78, San Antonio checks in at 74 degrees right now. So there's a front way up here. It's not going to make it, but there's a dry line right down in here. It's where the dry air from the west meets this warm, humid air coming in off the Gulf of Mexico. Where the two hit, thunderstorms are flaring up now, and we're watching for that potential for severe weather each of the next 2 or 3 days, because while the fronts kind of meander around just north of Texas, that dry line should be there each afternoon. So it'll be the focal point for thunderstorm development from West Texas all the way into Oklahoma and Kansas, and even as far north as Nebraska. This next front then gets caught up in the mix by Thursday, but it gets into Texas and then just slows down. It doesn't make any progress toward the south and east as we head through the end of the week. Probably not until Saturday, Sunday does it get into the neighborhood, and when that happens, it has a chance to trigger a couple of showers here. So the weekend looks to be the best chance for rain. Scattered thunderstorms to the north of us tomorrow. Dallas, San Antonio both. By afternoon, temperatures bounce up close to 80 across most of the state. If you're headed to the coast, here's what you can expect. Southeasterly winds, choppy bay waters, UV is really high. Small craft operators should use caution. There were the tides. So 74 tonight, mostly cloudy, breezy, much warmer than the last few nights. Southeasterly winds. Then tomorrow back to 88. Can't rule out a spotty shower, but most areas stay dry. I think the next 3 days, most areas are dry, even Friday probably. But then Saturday and Sunday, spotty thunderstorms a possibility. Temperatures come down a notch to the upper 80s, but nighttime lows all week long in the 70s. That is your updated First Word 5 forecast.